This is the first episode of a 4-part video about how we turned this dilapidated 2-bedroom terrace house in Bedfordshire into a modern 3-bedroom house, and I'll be walking you through the steps we took. The property has a very narrow but long front garden that could easily pack up to 2 cars even before getting to the point with the 2 little trees. However, everything is overgrown as the property has been unoccupied for a very long time. The property floor plan is an L-shaped layout, and the front entrance door leads into a little foyer. To the right side in the foyer is the door leading to the kitchen. The kitchen is in a total state of disrepair and needed to be ripped out. The kitchen floor is also soaked and rotten away, and we later discovered that some of the joist timber beneath the wooden floor needed replacing. The top layer of the wooden floor also needs replacing. Into the main living area, there is an outdated steel staircase that does not meet current building regulations, so will need replacing. And the entire living area looks like we'll need reflooring too. The rear garden is double the width of the narrow front garden, and like the front garden, it is overgrown and will need clearing and returfing. We will try and turn this into something great for this property's future owners. The ceiling is in a poor state and sagging in one area due to water leakage from the bathroom upstairs. The same L-shaped layout continues upstairs, where there are 2 bedrooms and a family bathroom. By the left side of the landing is the door to the first bedroom. This room doesn't have any visible damage to it other than needing updating. Then there is the second bedroom, which again ordinarily wouldn't have needed much work other than replastering. However, as our intention is to convert this 2-bedroom property to a 3-bedroom modern house, major work will be required in this room. The bathroom is in a very poor state and will have to be ripped out completely. Our plan is to do a complete refurbishment of this property and force its value upwards by increasing the number of bedrooms from 2 to 3. As we plan to do this without expanding the footprint of the property and without making any external alterations to it, we reached out to the council and were assured that no building permission was required. However, the refurbishment work was to be supervised by the local building regulations team. Starting from the ground floor, we'll be looking to remove the foyer to have a bigger living room. We will also close the existing staircase and build a new one nearer to the rear garden door. Finally, we will open a large cased doorway connecting the kitchen to the living area to make the entire ground floor open plan. At the top floor, we will remove the partition walls between the bathroom and the second bedroom. Cover up the present staircase to link up the usable area and repartition up the top floor space to create an extra room. Once we were settled with what we wanted to do with this property, we hired a skip and started breaking down the walls. next video, we will start putting this place back together again. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified immediately we upload that video. Don't forget to like and leave your comments. Thank you for watching.